Hi, today we're going to have a look at how to find the equation of a non-linear graph. And we're actually going to start this by doing a power graph as our example. So from the calculator home screen you need to add a list and spreadsheet, and then you can of course put some information up the top here in the variable name spot. We're going to have rope, and if you hit tab we're also going to have force, because this is the braking force required for ropes of various diameters. So the rope diameters are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the forces that we have are 60, 257, 603, 1103 and 1762. Okay, once we've got those values in, we're going to have a quick look at the scatter plot that creates. So if you remember from last time, what you have to do now is you need to press the home button, and now you need to go to data and stats and add a data and stats page. We need to add our variables, so we have rope as independent, and as dependent we have force. And you can see that we have a nice curve there. It is really important to make sure that you know the difference between a power graph and an exponential graph. The way to check for a power graph is that it will go through the point 0, 0. Okay, so let's fit a line. Let's plot our line of best fit. So we press Menu, Analyze, Regression, and this time we're going to show the power curve. And you can see there that it's even given us the equation for the power curve. Now if we want to make sure that this really goes through the points quite nicely, but if we want to make sure it's a power curve, we need to zoom in and check that it goes through 0, 0 or very close to it. So we go Menu, Window Zoom, and we can zoom in. We can click again. That's not worked properly, so if you go Control Z, that'll actually work like it does on a computer, and it will go and do the undo for you. So we'll go back like that, and we can see that it has moved the graph around, and we can see that it goes through that 0, 0 point quite nicely. We'll just see if we can do that again though, just to confirm, and we'll click there, and we can see that as we zoom in more and more, you can see that it is going through that 0, 0 point. So we can confirm that we have a power graph.